at this beautiful coho. And he's in really good shape. Really nice fish. So, a beautiful sunshiny morning after a couple of gloomy days. If anything, we're going to get some good landscape footage here for a bit. But Sasquatch says it's early.
Might be some big browns in here though.
So I'm going to take a bit of a stab, see if we can run into any lake run browns. The stream definitely has been fished as of late, so we'll see what happens. I'll take a few more landscape views a little later on, but save on some battery and memory card. Important when you're on vacation. Little guy out at the end.
Oh, I got him. Nice little brownie, it looks like.
Nice fish.
First fish of the season.
Nice fish. I had one similar to that come out on me.
I throw off there again. I don't know if this was the one. He came back twice if it was. Oh, that's a nice fish. Come here, buddy. Very pale, this one, though. But I'm guessing about 15, Ron.
Yeah.
14, 15.
Yeah,
fish.
nice brown. All right, folks. So we're here, and Sasquatch is gonna.
I already see the one I love right there.
Pick out his weapon of destruction.
It's right there. It was. This is my fire tiger favorite right here.
Chartreuse.
Perfect.
Hot dogger.
What am I running? I'm running a red, so I've got one like that. Okay, I'll run that for a little while. Well, I'll probably switch to silver, but I can do that down the water.
Yeah,
I'll throw on a silver here.
What's the back of this? Kind of a copper, or a kind of a...
You like those big hooks there too?
Oh, I love big hooks, and I cannot lie.
Yeah. Let's see, I'll get
I got my scissors here too, Brady.
No, I'll just put it in the pack, Ron, and we'll get down there, and you guys can be fishing while I'm tying on. I'm not holding up the show. I'm just going to throw this in my...
That look heavy enough? You guys got heavier ones, don't you?
This is a weighted,
you'll need double bullet.
What about that? Is that a tungsten?
Yeah, it's too light.
Too late.
Some guy was just sacking that, Ron.
Was he? But
We're set it upstream, so
we're kind of packing in.
oh,
What's that?
There's only a couple holes left anyway. You got sharp hooks on your lures, Ron.
yep. Seen any lake runners? Seeing any lake runners? No. Yeah, that's a nice one.
Would you mind helping me net it?
Yeah, I'll jump down.
I can't get quite close enough every time.
You got it? You got it, Adam?
Oh, you got him. You got him.
Yeah, you got to stop moving.
Ooh. That's a nice one. Oh.
Might be a steelhead. Might be a steelhead.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I was gonna say something, but it looks like it was getting pretty big. Yeah, well, every time it gets close, it starts.
Get behind him and scoop him.
There you go. That's gonna beat you now.
Beach him. Beach him.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Look at this goat rodeo. There you got him. He's going to come back into the current. Grab him.
Oh! Nice fight.
Looks like you got it hooked pretty good.
Yeah, it's been on for a while, so I just don't want it to get in any crap and get tangled up.
That's a steelhead.
Yeah.
Get him. Oh my Lord, Adam. Come on, amateur. What's going on? You guys are like the bumbling Ring brothers over there, I tell you.
That thing's got a lot of juice in her still, I think. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, oh yeah! Nice fish, brother. Thank you so much. Nice job. Boy, that's a toad, bro. Wow. I think that's the biggest one. In 2 hands on that one. Seriously. Have you guys caught any today?
No.
No, others have.
This is my first one.
Do you want to take my net?
Get a stick on that. Looks legal.
Sure.
Looks legal. 2 hands. Hold tight, buddy.
You got the... Oh, that's a gorgeous one.
Yeah. Get some water.
Yeah. You're gonna have to let that sucker rest for a little bit if you're gonna let it go.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a toad.
Looks legal.
Oh, God, yeah.